JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Comfast CF-EW71 Outdoor, the Philippines' most popular access point for PISA Wi-Fi, unboxing and installation. Up to 300 Mbps Wi-Fi with built-in power amplifiers, applied with the SE2576L power amplifier, improves wireless network reception and transmission functions, suits for outdoor applications. 2 oxygen-free copper antennas and 360-degree omnidirectional Wi-Fi coverage meet the needs of different situations. Stands up to severe outdoor environments. The outdoor IP66 rating provides the ability to handle different kinds of rugged surroundings. 48-volt power over Ethernet support and a simple mounting design allow for flexible deployment and convenient installation. Supports management VLANs for enhanced network management. Package contents: installation guide, waterproof antennas, wall and pole mounting kit, LAN cable, 48-volt PoE adapter and power cord, CF-EW71 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.